A friend from Italy taught me this famous Italian hot dog. I'll use sausage and wrap spaghetti noodles all around it. Once that's done, we'll cook it in boiling water. With our al dente pasta, let's now add some tomato sauce. For filling, I'll use a bit of mozzarella. Also add a little pepperoni. Now let's start rolling it up. It'll look like this. Now let's coat it in wheat flour. Next, we'll dip it in beaten eggs. And finish with homemade Panko breadcrumbs. Now we'll fry it in hot oil. Once golden, remove and drain on a paper towel. Now folks, it's time to slice and enjoy. Look how incredible this Italian hot dog turns out. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Take care everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching.